What if I told you that you're wasting your time and money on under eye products if you don't even know the real reason behind your dark circles? Yes, it's true. Today I'm going to walk you through the three main reasons why those stubborn dark circles keep coming back and the treatments that actually work. So stick around because by the end of this video you'll finally know how to fix them in no time. So what exactly are dark circles? In medical language, they are called periorbital dark circles. That means discoloration of skin around the eyes, and there can be three main reasons for this discoloration. To know yours, let's do a pinch test. It's very simple. Just pinch the skin under your eye and lift it slightly. If the darkness stays the same, it's because of the first reason, which is pigmentation. And if the darkened skin lightens or disappears, it's most likely vascular, the second root cause. When the skin is thin, it starts showing the underlying blood vessels, which appear as dark circles. And one more reason behind dark circles is hollowing or puffiness. These create shadows that look like dark circles too. Found out the reason for your dark circles now? Let's talk about the simple solutions for each of these three types of dark circles. First, talking about pigmentation, which is actually melanin buildup. It can be genetics, sun exposure, or even hormone imbalances, especially a hormone called melanocyte-stimulating hormone. Production of this hormone can spike due to chronic stress and high cortisol levels. For topical treatments of under-eye pigmentation, you can use tyrosinase inhibitor-based products like alpha-arbutin, vitamin C, or retinaldehyde. Though all these are chemical-based ingredients which may show results real quick, they can damage your skin barrier. If you're up for chemical treatments, then chemical peels are also a good option. You can consult an expert for a peel that may suit your skin and issues. As I am also studying skincare for years now, I recommend more natural, plant-based actives like corneopeptil, aldavine, and others. All these ingredients are natural and show long-term results and also support your skin barrier and do not damage it. I will launch my under-eye cream soon in a few months. Turn on the notifications so that you know it as soon as it is launched. Second, we talked about dark circles because of the blood vessels. The reason behind such dark circles is actually thin skin, because of which blood vessels appear as darkness under the eyes. Genetics also plays a major role, but there can also be reasons like dehydration, allergies, and poor circulation. For treating these, you can use caffeine-based products or simply use cotton pads dipped in black coffee. But make sure to be consistent with it to see results. Also, a cool compress may also work for you. And while choosing an under-eye cream, retinol is what you should look for as an ingredient. Retinol will help collagen production in your under-eye area and will make your skin thicker. But remember, choose the retinol made for sensitive skin and always have a patch test before adding it to your regimen. And look for any side effects such as peeling or skin irritation. In case of any reaction, you can reduce the percentage and start by using it once or twice a week only. Make sure to start with the lowest percentage of retinol available in the market and keep increasing the percentage. This will make your skin adapt to it gradually. The third reason is puffiness and hollowing. Puffiness usually happens when fat pads under your eyes protrude, sometimes worsened by excessive salt intake, lack of sleep, or even genetics. There's an active ingredient that I'm adding to the under-eye cream I'm working on. It is lanacris, which particularly works on the puffiness by breaking down the stored form of fats under your eyes. For puffiness, sometimes surgical procedures like lower eyelid blepharoplasty, that is an eye bag surgery, might be recommended for fat pad issues. Also, keep your salt intake and sleep in check. And I would recommend that you get your thyroid levels checked once if you consistently see puffiness under your eyes. Because when the thyroid levels are underactive, the balance of fluid is disturbed. Let me break the ice. We blame salt intake for puffiness, but it's actually the imbalance of sodium and potassium in your body, and this imbalance causes water retention. So instead of cutting salt, the smarter move is to increase your potassium intake. Potassium helps balance out sodium and reduces that bloated, puffy look. There are some great options in the market today, products that are high in potassium and low in sodium, and they can really help with managing puffiness. Hollowing, on the other hand, is often due to loss of fat as we age, which creates shadows and makes dark circles look worse. For this, you should keep your water intake and sleep on track. and a collagen supplement or retinol eye creams can help this hollowness so that no more collagen loss occurs in this region of your face. There are also surgical treatments for hollowness under the eyes like hyaluronic acid or PRF, platelet-rich fibrin for volume restoration. Now that we have talked about specific treatments for different root causes of dark circles, let me tell you that none of these work without the very basics: stress management and a good sleep cycle. To ensure these, have a routine of regular walks or yoga, anything that helps you release stress hormones. I personally prefer walking the most for regulating stress levels, as your cortisol doesn't rise when you walk at your own pace, unlike jogging. Next, prioritize your sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Try going to bed earlier and keep your bedroom screen-free. And stay less exposed to white lights in the evening, as they kill the melatonin function. So turn your home lights yellow in the evening. And if you have difficulty falling asleep, you can have a cup of calming chamomile tea to induce sleep. So now don't just apply an eye cream and hope for the best. Identify your dark circle type, tackle the root causes, and use the right treatments for your dark circles. Combine that with the latest medical advances, and you'll finally get rid of those stubborn dark circles. If this video helped you, drop a comment below. Let's help each other get bright, healthy eyes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next video.